funny. Ew. Sometimes, guys, I put this on lips. Yeah, like a ghost today. I'm washing my face with soap and water. Now we're just gonna wait. Ta-da! My face is so white with that soap. And time for the magic product. And I don't know, guys, we're gonna start though. It's already been broken. Did I accidentally open it? And we're just gonna add some. How about I let this go and then I'm gonna get some more. Look like I'm so Wait. How about this? I look like Merida with some eye patch. So these are my eyes. Look like all boys. If you eat some moon. That's more, guys. Because on COVID-19 just started making. And we're just gonna add some of my cheeks. I think you need a little bit more, guys, because my finger's so pointed like a blood. And we're gonna add some more. That's how we open it, guys, like joking or something. And we need to add more. After you're done, don't look at me because I'm not done yet. Boom! So guys, if you want more appetite, you could use some powder, which is a lot, and some makeup lipsticks. And these are brand new. I like them. I like them. And even guys, if you want more upload videos, you can just comment below which makeup do you want, Makulit or Rapunzel? Comment below because this just looks like Rapunzel's. Guys, on COVID-19 I have a virus camp. Shout out to my Ate Kali. You need to teach me how to do my makeup now. I'm using today. Look like at the powder, we close the powder like this so you can use them as your makeups. There. So guys, if you want to